Hey you guys, good morning. Coming to you from Christopher Anthony's Premium Raw Virgin Hair. Today we're not going to even talk about hair. Today we're just talking about the situation that we're in and what prompted me to try this product. I wanted to share this product. It's called Golden Glow. This is an immune boosting product. This product should be something that we're drinking every day regardless of what's going on in the world with COVID-19. This product, the potent ingredients in this product is fresh garlic, turmeric, and ginger. This is a 32 ounces jar. It's 3 of us in my home. My mom is 84. She's drinking this 3 times a day, about 2 ounces 3 times a day. My husband and I are drinking it. We've been drinking it now for maybe about 2.5 weeks. We love it. We just felt like we needed something a little extra to just deal with everything going on. And the COVID-19 just brought a remembrance back that we should be building our immunity anyway. I travel a lot for work, so I'm out there in the elements every day. And this is long overdue, guys. But I'm going to put this jar right here. And I want to read something about 3 of the most potent ingredients. So one of the ingredients is garlic. And so I just went online and printed up some things so I can share with you guys real quickly. So garlic, one of the benefits of garlic is it strengthens your immune system. It has vitamin B6, which boosts your mood. So it helps you kind of regulate your mood so when you're not feeling like depressed or just too excited. It kind of balances that out for you. It regulates your blood sugar. So any of you guys who are dealing with like a spiked sugar in the morning, this is a natural product. It will regulate that without you having to use insulin. Helps treat fever, cough, and stomach ache. May prevent cancer of the prostate, colon, and the stomach. You can apply to the skin for fungal infections. Fresh garlic can kill E. coli and salmonella. Also, one of the potent ingredients in your Golden Glow is ginger. Ginger is an ovarian cancer treatment, colon cancer prevention, morning sickness relief, reduces pain and inflammation, heartburn relief, prevention of diabetic neuropathy, migraine relief, menstrual cramp relief, and cold and flu prevention. Key, cold and flu prevention. That's what we're dealing with right now. That's your ginger. Your garlic is also strengthens the immune system, helps treat fever, cough, and stomach ache. Okay, we already have 2 potent ingredients that are going to help you deal with this flu that we're dealing with right now. It also has a potent ingredient, turmeric. I know you guys have all heard of turmeric. Turmeric is a natural anti-inflammatory. It's a natural antibiotic. It's a natural antiseptic. It's a natural analgesic. It speeds up wound healing and improves your digestion. It purifies your blood. It strengthens your ligaments. It's a skin tonic. It helps cough, improves asthma, slows progression of MS, helps prevent gas and bloating, and lowers your cholesterol. It heals stomach ulcers, improves skin conditions, helps prevent cancer, breast, prostate, skin, colon, lymphoma, and leukemia, prevention of progression of Alzheimer's, aids in fat metabolism and weight management, reduces side effects of chemotherapy. Come on, y'all. 3 potent ingredients are listed in this daggone Golden Glow. Ginger, garlic, and turmeric. And then the rest is fruits. She doesn't put any grapefruit in here because a lot of people are taking hypertension medication, high blood pressure medication, so there's no grapefruit. Again, potent. It's just a beautiful orange liquid. If you DM her at Vegan for Life, depending on where you're located, she'll deliver it to your door. Just ring the bell, and due to COVID, she'll just ring the bell and she'll just drop it at your door and let you know, like back in the day, like the milkman delivering your milk. So again, this is Golden Glow. This is 32 ounces. She sells them by 16 ounces for $19.99, and right now she has buy one, get one half. But I purchased some 32-ounce glass jars just so that she can, instead of her bringing me 6 jars to put in my refrigerator, she brings me 3 big 32-ounce jars. Again, you can DM her at Vegan for Life, or you can email her at veganforlife@gmail.com. I wish you guys have a happy Sunday, and this is to your health. So check her out. DM me to ask any questions. It tastes great. My husband is like straight country boy. Give him his ribs, his pork chops, his steak, that kind of thing. Sometimes he'll eat a salad. I didn't think he would drink this product, but no, the benefits of the product, he's reminding me every day to drink it. So we drink it 3 times a day, roughly about 2 to 3 ounces every time we drink it. So again, peace, good health, you guys. Check it out, Golden Glow, Vegan for Life. Check her out, DM her or email her veganforlife@gmail.com. She doesn't have a website. This is just something that she made for her family. I tasted it. I'm like, girl, you got to market that. So that's why she doesn't have her website up yet. But people are buying it like crazy. She's making it every day, all day. Hit her up, Vegan for Life, Golden Glow. Thank you guys. Mwah.